Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Vince Fitness and Motivation. Today I'm gonna show you guys how I do hammer curls with dumbbells. Now there are different variations to this. You can do them together or one at a time. I personally like one at a time cause you can really focus on it. So your hands on the side, nice base, shoulder width apart with your feet loose, knees not locked out, elbows not locked out. And then you come straight up. It's very controlled movement. Squeeze, come back down, come back up. Very controlled movement. Squeeze. It's really important to get that squeeze and flex everything you got in there. So come back down, control. So breathing is very important during this exercise. As you come up, you're gonna breathe out and release, breathe in. You will really feel it in your forearms and in the middle of your biceps if you are doing it right. And that's all your dumbbell hammer curl. Okay guys, so see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.